Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A5 Sportback Sport finished in a scuba blue. The car's got the Xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights and also the front and rear parking sensors. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, we have the 17-inch twin spoke design alloy wheels with the chrome surrounds on the exterior windows, with the pillarless doors and a full power tailgate with the LED rear lights and also the twin polished chrome exhaust. This is an Audi user approved vehicle, so you will get the 145 point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the black leather on the inside of the door cards with the heated exterior mirrors, front black leather sport seats which are also heated with the electronic slide, tilt and 4-way lumbar support, light and rain sensors with a 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel, tronic automatic gearbox with 3-zone climate control and also Audi's navigation. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A5 Sportback, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.